Welcome back. Converting passion and talent into a business isn't always an easy task, especially with the pressures of a global pandemic. But in this week's edition of the Business Review, we take a look at a culinary company that has remained strong despite the odds. Andrew Laidley reports.
Ashebre is a local culinary company spearheaded by Chef Oji Jaja, who is also managing director of the firm. The company, which started over 11 years ago, is based in Jamaica, but its story started in Florida in the United States. Chef Jaja decided to bring the business to Jamaica out of a desire to expand on his own. Ashebre is a catering company made popular through its virtual restaurant experience, but things have not been smooth sailing.
We have experienced cash flow issues at different levels uh, of our growth. And the truth is, like right now, we really need to identify areas where we're going to be able to raise capital to be able to expand the business.
The COVID-19 pandemic has made things worse, forcing the company to cut back on staffing.
The team has definitely shrunk since the COVID pandemic. And however, we have persons that we call on from time to time if we need to service a larger group of persons. But as it stands right now, we're utilizing a core team of about 5 persons to be able to do the job.
The company has also branched off into manufacturing with its own condiment line. Ashebre has ambitions to start exporting these condiments in an effort to generate more revenue for the company. Chef Jaja says he's now doing the groundwork to make his export goals a reality.
A big part of that is going to be identifying the right partners to assist with the distribution, getting ourselves ready here in Jamaica so that we're meeting all of the standards for exporting products into those countries, and it's having the capacity to be able to grow.
He explained that the company started manufacturing because of consumer demand.
Oftentimes we'll come up with different ideas. I'll be inspired to possibly do a particular item. And our clients have been giving us feedback stating, hey, now you really should be bottling these and putting them on the shelves. For a while, I was hesitant to do it, but then I decided to start. And once I started, it kind of just took on a life of its own.
And Ashebre isn't doing it alone. Chef Jaja says the company has benefited from technical support offered by local organizations.
We've partnered with organizations like JAMPRO and the Jamaica Manufacturers and Exporters Association, Jamaica Business Development Center to assist us in getting ready, giving us the training that we're also going to need to be able to launch out from Jamaica into other territories.
Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.